by the end of this video, you'll be able to decide if you will still be sticking to your natural lights, or you're going to be getting one LED light or two LED lights like I'm using this video. This is coming from somebody that has used both in the past years, and I can tell you for the fact that if you watch the video to the end, then you'll be able to make your decision. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you what it looks like filming with natural lights and all the tips that can help you have a crisp video filming with one LED light and also filming with two LED lights like I'm doing this video, and you'll still be able to achieve everything you have in mind when it comes to getting good quality content. If this is something you would love to know, then definitely keep watching. So like I said, we're going to be starting with the natural lights, of course. So let me set up my natural lights by this side and then we'll get started with that one. Okay, my curtain is closed right now, but my LED light is on. So let me turn off my LED light and also open this one. So this is what it looks like filming with my natural lights. I'm directly in front of my window right now. I have two windows here. One is open, one is closed, and the curtain is by this side because I don't want too much exposure. I think I'm okay with this. So it shows to you that natural light works so well if you cannot afford to buy artificial lights like the LED lights and co. Then you definitely need to utilize your natural lights well. So listen to me, if you want your natural light to pop the way mine is, then you need to get foil. Directly under my face, I have two foil on a table, and then this foil serves as a bouncing tool for the light that is coming from my window directly to bounce back to my face, if you get what I mean. It bounces back the lights to my face and it makes it glow and shine. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is the foil. This is the foil. Can you see? With the foil under my face. Let me take the wheel, and then without the foil under my face, the difference is definitely clear. So you are going to need a foil to achieve this look. This is what all your favorite YouTubers use. So you're going to get a foil. This is less than $2. You're going to get this and then put it directly under your face and then allow the natural light to do its work. And that is how to achieve a good look with your natural light without breaking the bank. So this is what it looks like. I told you I'm going to compare it with natural lights, and I feel that I love this. Sometimes I open my back window, but because of the background that is going on behind me, I want that background to pop out. That is why I close down my back window and then I block out the light. If you can see, there is another layer under the curtain that is blocking out the lights. So if you don't have anything fancy behind you, I would advise that you can open your back window a bit so that the lights behind you can differentiate you from your background, if you get what I mean. So that is the concept behind this natural lighting. So if you have been using your natural lights wrong, I think this is a tip you need to follow right now. And I wish I knew this earlier. And it's like, when I found this tool, it changed my content creation game totally. Like, I do not film without using a foil, or if you can't get a foil, you can get a mirror. Yeah, the mirror you use in your house, just place it on a table, lie flat, and let the lights bounce back. And it's advisable to also shoot mostly when the sun is really, really hot, so that you can get that feel. Okay, so let's go back to my other settings. Okay, so now that we have seen what it looks like filming with your natural lights, so let's go to the artificial lights, which I love so much. Natural light is also good, but for me, artificial light is better because it helps you stay consistent. You don't have to depend on natural light, because once the sun sets, you won't be able to film your video. But this one is reliable, because even if it's midnight, 1 p.m., 2 p.m., you're filming your video. Since I got this light, I film my video middle of the night. What a pity to my neighbors, okay? I film my video at any time I have the idea. It gives you the flexibility to film your video. That is one advantage of this light. But the other disadvantage is it works with electricity. So if you do not have lights in your house, then you will not be able to film. But the other side is that it has batteries, but that battery cannot last you to film 1, 2, 3 videos. It can only last you to film one video before it starts going down. So the only downside of this is you need electricity at all times to be able to film. Aside that, this is the best if you want to stay consistent with your video. But for natural light, you need discipline. Both also need discipline, because you can have light and still be lazy, okay? But for natural light, it needs more discipline. And I feel if you are a content creator that is just beginning, you should start with natural light so that you will be disciplined to be able to start filming, because you know that if the sun should go down, you will not be able to film. So that's just about that. So I'm going to show you my light setup. This is 2 lights. I have one LED light here, and I have another studio light, which is the main key light. This is my key light, and then this is my fill light. So let's start with using one light. So I'm going to turn off my fill light, and then we're going to use just this light. Okay, so let me do that, and then we'll be. So it was at 9, so I'm going to increase it to like, since it's the only light, I'm going to increase it. Okay, so this is what it looks like filming with one light, and that is at I think 21% or thereabouts. I'll show you on the screen. This is what it looks like filming with one light. It's okay, but I don't know if you can notice, like, there's a lot of shadow from just using the light. Like, since the light is on me, it's bringing out a lot of shadow, which is not really professional, you know. So that is the importance of having a second light. But I won't lie, you can still work with one light if you position it very well. I'm positioning my own on this side, because I know I have another light that will fill in and block out the shadows. So that's just it. So if you want to block out the shadow and you have just one light, you can just bring your light to, like, or not facing you directly, but like you can shift it a bit, and then you have your foil under, reflector under, or a white cloth under to fill in your light back to you. But this is not bad, guys. So if you want to get one light, you can still get one light, because this looks very good, okay? But if you're trying to like achieve that professional look like all our favorite creators on this app do, then I feel that you should get like 2 lights so that your video will be crisp, okay? So now that I've shown you what it looks like filming with just one light, and this light is actually up to 100%, so but you're going to be so blown out, like it's going to be too exposed if you put it at the highest percentage, even if it has 21% right now and it's too bright for me. So let's do the 2 lights, the fill lights and the key lights, okay? The key light gets more brightness, while the fill light is always very low. So let me switch up to both lights now, okay? So this is the LED lights, and that is the other lights. So you guys, this is what it looks like filming with both lights on. Because I moved my light a lot while I was trying to show you guys, I can't even get my settings very well, but this is what it looks like filming with one light, and I think I love this. I still have my reflectors on the table, which is very, very important. I love the way it gives my video that kind of like glowy kind of look. I don't know if it's showing here. So literally, this is what we are working with. So let me know, guys, if you're going to go for light right now, are you going to buy one light, 2 lights, or you're going to get one light? Okay, I will let you decide, because if I'm going to tell you what to do, then what's the essence of showing you what it looks like, So, but is it going to be natural light for you or artificial light? Let me also know in the comment section. Is it going to be one light for you? Let me know in the comment section. Is it going to be 2 lights for you? Let me know in the comment section. And I'll be there also interacting with you guys. And what other kind of videos do you want me to make on this channel? Let me definitely know in the comment section. As you can see, I'm actually trying to transition to hairstyle tutorials and all the good stuff. If you watch my shorts a lot, it's always about hairstyle. I made this hair by myself and I'm really loving it. I wanted to drop a tutorial, but I was just like, I don't know. My videos have not been doing so well on YouTube. Guys, if you see this video right now, please let me engage it. I'm just trying to test the waters again and try to see what works on YouTube. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. It will really go a long way to help me to create content like this for you guys. So until I come your way with more videos that's going to help you do well, stay connected to this channel, subscribe, like, share, and also drop a comment for me, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.